Low and high thyroid problems in women. Thyroid affects about 12% of people in their lifetime. Meanwhile, females are more prone to get thyroid issues by 8% from males, which means every 1 in 8 females is affected by thyroid issues. What is thyroid? Thyroid is a gland that produces 3 main hormones responsible for normal growth and metabolism known as T3 or triiodothyronine, T4 or thyroxine, and calcitonin. How do thyroids cause problems in women? Decrease or increase in thyroid level can cause early or delay in puberty and first menstruation. Hyperthyroidism or hyperthyroidism can lead to irregular periods causing light or heavy flow during periods. Thyroid disorders can also stop ovulation, a process where eggs are formed and released from the ovaries. In case of severe hyperthyroidism, females can develop ovarian cysts and increase in prolactin hormone levels causing formation of breast milk to prevent ovulation. Thyroid problems during pregnancy can lead to ongoing thyroid issues in mom even after the birth of a baby. Hyperthyroidism during pregnancy can lead to miscarriage, premature birth, pre-eclampsia, stillbirth and bleeding after delivery. While hyperthyroidism during pregnancy can cause severe morning sickness, miscarriage, stillbirth and heart failure in both mother and the baby. Thyroid problems can also cause menopause earlier during the early 40s. Hyperthyroidism can lead to a decreased level of calcium in the bones, making them more prone to break. This condition is known as osteoporosis. Also, thyroid disorders can lead to depression, fatigue, increased weight and loss of sexual desires.